If you use the motion graphic templates in Premiere Pro, here are 5 simple shortcuts to help streamline your editing process. I'm Kevin Ferguson with KF Brand Studio, and welcome to our series on editing for efficient storytelling. Hopping into my screen to demo this, and the first tip is a new feature as of the April 2019 release. One click to create a background for your text. Now, before this release, you had to drag a rectangle over your text and try to position it exactly how you want it. Now, if you're using Premiere Pro version 13.1 or higher, you can select the text and simply click background. Super simple. The second tip is to use the new masking text feature. Again, this shortcut is new in the April 2019 release. Once you have your text created, go to the new layer icon in the Essential Graphics panel in the upper right corner and choose your video footage. I'm going to select this one that I shot in Cuba, drag it under the text layer. In order to have this text inside the layer, select the Type tool, then under Appearance, select Mask with Text. Slide a white background underneath, and there you have it. The video is inside the text. The third super simple tip is to star your favorite fonts. You may have 3 or 4 fonts that are your go-tos. Instead of scanning to find them, you can star them, then simply filter for your stars. You could also do this with your favorite motion graphic templates. The fourth tip is to duplicate your MOGRTs for fast editing. This animated graphic of 5 simple motion graphic tips that you see on screen is actually a motion graphic template or MOGRT I created in After Effects. And the default or the original is right here in the Essential Graphics panel and looks like this. The changes that I made in the timeline version for this particular training do not carry over unless I do some tweaking in After Effects. But instead of recreating it or tinkering in After Effects, there is a simple solution. I can take this one in my timeline and simply Option drag on a Mac or Command drag on a PC, and there you have a copy of your MOGRT. And the fifth and final shortcut tip is to snap your text into place for easy positioning, using the Rules and Guides feature, also part of the April 2019 release. You're probably familiar with the Safe Margins feature located here, but what if you want your text not exactly on the edge of the safe margin? You can turn on Rulers and Guides here, position your ruler to your liking, and enable Snap-in Program Monitor. Then move your text close to the margin, and like a magnet, it snaps into place. And there you have it, 5 super simple tips for streamlining your workflow with motion graphic templates. I'm Kevin Ferguson with KF Brand Studios. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any updates. Happy editing!